Omaha, Nebraska. In this video, a man is seen trying to get in the gate but fails. Miami, Florida. A lady is walking her dog when she sees a package get delivered. You would be surprised how many people walk their dogs as a cover for them to find stuff to steal. Miami, Florida. A man is looking for homes to burglarize while impersonating a Verizon internet salesman.
How you doing? Hey, my name is David. We're here from Verizon because they installed a new tower for internet near your block to give very fast internet to your house. What do you guys use for home?
What went wrong? CBS News Miami's Anna McAllister spent the day there, and she joins us with what she's learned so far.
A tragic accident happened here on the campus of HCA Florida Mercy Hospital.
A mechanical failure turns fatal as construction workers renovated a part of Mercy Hospital in Coconut Grove. According to police, a crane on the site was lifting mechanical equipment shortly after noon Saturday when something went horribly wrong.
We arrived on the scene with a 200-foot roughly crane had collapsed, and at its highest point it was carrying a load, landing on workers that were below.
Officials say the collapse injured 4 construction workers, 2 of them in
worker dead in construction worker dead and 4 others hurt after a crane collapse at Mercy Hospital in Coconut Grove. Investigators are there trying to figure out what went wrong. CBS News Miami's Anna McAllister spent the day there, and she joins us with what she's learned so far.
A tragic accident happened here on the campus of HCA Florida Mercy Hospital.
A mechanical failure turns fatal as construction workers renovated a part of Mercy Hospital in Coconut Grove. According to police, a crane on the site was lifting mechanical equipment shortly after noon Saturday when something went horribly wrong.
When we arrived on the scene, we found a 200-foot roughly crane had collapsed, and at its highest point it was carrying a load, landing on workers that were below.
Officials say the collapse injured 4 construction workers, 2 of them in serious but stable condition. Tragically, 1 construction worker was killed.
We're working very closely with fire, with police, with Mercy Hospital to make sure that we safely remove that crane from site.
Part of the hospital was evacuated as a precaution, but police say none of the patients or employees were injured. The horrific tragedy is under investigation as officials try to determine what led to the collapse.
It's an investigation. OSHA is on the scene, so it's going to be hard to determine exactly what it is that happened.
Officials say they plan to stay on the site throughout the day Sunday as they continue their investigation. And so far, the names of the 4 people who were injured, as well as the man who was killed, have not yet been released. For now, reporting in Coconut Grove, Anna McAllister, CBS News, Miami.
Las Vegas, Nevada. The house across the street was robbed while the family was out of the country. Over 4 days people were in and out of the house taking whatever they wanted. Now a side note to everyone listening. We have to start looking out for one another more. You don't have to be confrontational to do this. Almost all of these lowlifes, porch pirates, and thieves are cowards. Just yell at them from your doorway, or if you're driving by you can stop and stare at them or honk your horn. They will take off. These people are scared and don't want any problems that might put them in jail. Thieves have gotten way too comfortable. It's time for them to get uncomfortable so they think twice before taking what don't belong to them. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next video.